What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about 4 reasons music creators don't make money with their music, and after that I'm gonna show you how to make money with your music. What's the point of making music without benefiting off it? So the first reason is that music creators don't make enough money to support themselves. Like, honestly, if you're not getting bread from your music, then what's the point of doing it? Because I've noticed that a lot of music creators, they just want to create music for the sake of creating music, but we have to get a reward from it. You see, we have to benefit so that we can support our family and we can support ourselves, so that we are benefiting from what we're doing, from the fruit of our labor. So the second point is that music creators lack the music business knowledge and skills required to make money with their music in this industry of today's music. So a lot of y'all just want to make music, but do you know the business of music? Like, honestly, I've watched tons of tutorials, and they all show me how to make beats and all stuff, but they don't show me the business side of music, and that's the most important side, because at the end of the day we have to know how to make money with this music that we make, and how this music can help us make businesses outside the music industry, like selling merchandise and other businesses. It must not be always about music. Another point, the third point, I've noticed that music creators lack access and knowledge to the necessary resources and services that can help them put their music to the next level. Honestly, I myself, I don't have a MIDI keyboard. Well, I used to have one, but I noticed that when you have a MIDI keyboard or any type of a keyboard, the process becomes faster when you're making beats. You don't take time and just put some chord progression and some drums, then you're done. So the resources and services are very important, because nowadays when it comes to music production, we have so many things that can help us. So many drum keys. We have splice that we can find the loops in drum keys, and we have looperman.com where we can get free loops. We have Cymatics and other websites and services that can take our music to the next level. The fourth point that I'm going to talk about today is that music creators find it difficult to network and collaborate with others in the industry. Like, honestly guys, if you're not collaborating, then you're doing it wrong. You've watched me, I've been collaborating with many of my friends, and I'm grateful. Many of them, they've been sending me loops, and I add the drums and the beat is done. But the main thing is to collaborate with each other so that we can learn something from each other. And I've noticed that there are ways in this game where we can be able to make music. So now I want to talk about how to make money with our music. How can we take that music to the next level? So first thing first that you gotta do, you need to register your music online. So if you're a native South African, you know that you can register your music to Sambro, Kapaso, and other awesome registering website where you can register and copyright your music, so that nobody can steal your hard music that you've made by spending your hours and dedicating it. So it's very painful to work hard on something and then somebody just come and take it as if like it belongs to them. So guys, it's very important that you register your music, and by doing that, copyrighting your music, you can get all the royalties that you deserve. And another thing on how to make money with your music, you can get a music distributor where they will put your music to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Pandora, Deezer, Apple Music. I've already mentioned it. But yeah, it's very important that you put your music to the music distributors. The one that I use is Amuse, or you can go for DistroKid, is also fine. And I use Amuse because when you start with the free version, but you can upgrade as you go on, and you can make money with your music by streaming royalties and foreign royalties. Honestly, if you are getting streams from a different country, let's say for example I stay in South Africa and I'm getting streams from Germany or Netherlands, then when I reach a certain amount of streams, then I will start getting paid straight to my bank account. You can make music from YouTube advertising revenue. When they play your advert for a certain minutes, certain second, you can get paid through the YouTube advertising revenue. You can get paid for your music by TV licensing services. When they play your music on these TV services, they can pay you. So it's always better to try to register so that you can get paid when they play your music online. You can also make money by selling beats. Best website for selling beats we all know is beatstars.com, and best website for marketing your beats is youtube.com. So it's always best that you can go to beatstars, sell the drum kit, merchandise, beats, everything on beatstars. And I got a beatstar too. Make sure you check me out, and thank you by the way. And that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I thought maybe it's very important to talk about the business side of music, and yeah, it's very important. So let's just try to learn the business side of music and make music that we love and that the people care about. Without wasting any further time, thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you go and listen to my music. It's available on Spotify, YouTube Music, Deezer, and other streaming services. And I've left the link under the description, and you can find more drum kits updates on my Telegram. And yeah, see you in the next video.